guess I'm just a play date to you. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So those who are new to my channel, I'm Ria and I make videos related to skincare, beauty, fashion and sometimes dance also, as I just love to dance. So before starting the video, wish you all a very happy new year. As we all know that the past year was so bad, so I hope that the coming year brings happiness to everybody's life, and all of you stay safe, stay healthy, and always maintain social distance and stay masked always. So yeah, happy new year again. Today I have come again with a review video, and like before starting the video I need to say you something, that I don't make first impression videos. I hope you know the difference between first impression and review videos. First impression videos are, I can totally understand why so many YouTubers make first impression videos. Like, you can also understand, right, that it's so much easy that you can buy something, buy any skincare product from online or from any store, and you just bring that product and you just make a video on it, and you don't have to think anything about it. You just gonna buy the product and just make the video. But I think that just showing the texture on your hand, that this cream is super soft and this cream is like it has gel consistency, and that's why it will suit your skin, that doesn't really make any sense. So that's why I don't like to make first impression videos, and I will never make such videos, and I will always make review videos. I generally review a product after using it for 2 weeks at least. Today the products I'm going to review, that I have bought like 3 to 4 months back, but then I didn't start YouTube. So that's why I have been using those products for at least 3 to 4 months, and now I am reviewing this product. So this review is going to be 100% honest review, and I hope that the things that I will be telling you in this video will be really helpful for you. So yeah, without any further delay, let's begin the video. Today I am going to review two products, and both of these are face masks from the brand Wow. Yes, again from the brand Wow. So yeah, the first one is the activated charcoal peel off mask. So it is a no paraben, no mineral oil product, and it claims that it detoxifies skin, it removes blackheads and reduce aging signs. So one thing that I will tell, that I personally noticed that whenever I applied this mask on my skin, especially on my face, there was a tinkling effect, like there was a little burning effect on my skin, and I used this mask for at most thrice, not more than that. But then I left using it on my face, and now I use it on my underarms, because it worked really nice for my underarms. Like it instantly reduced the dark patches that I have on my underarms, and it gives an instant brightening effect also. That's why I use it on my underarms nowadays. So we know that the facial skin is much more sensitive than the other parts of your body. That's why I think that this didn't suit me on my face, and that's why I left using it, and I don't use it on my face anymore. So in case of blackheads, I would say that I used to have a lot of blackheads earlier on my nose area. So after applying it, when I removed the mask, like it was able to remove not the whole of the blackheads, but a part of it were removed, but everything was not removed completely. So it was not successful in that also. And one more thing, I have also seen many people saying that this face mask is very hard to remove. Like it can also pull out your hair from your face when you remove the face mask. But honestly, I didn't face any such problem. Like it was so easy to peel it off. Like I didn't have any pain also. I don't know if the camera can capture or not. I have too much facial hair, and I have been thinking for a long time that I will shave my face. I have not started it yet. So uh, I I thought that this will remove my facial hair also, but it was a big loser in removing facial hair. Like when I used it for the first time, I was so scared that, oh my god, my facial hairs will be removed and I will have a lot of pain. But when I started removing it, it was so easy. It came out very much easily, and it didn't at all pain a bit also. So it won't remove your facial hair, and it is not at all painful. But I will not say that this will not be suitable for your skin, because it didn't suit my skin, that doesn't mean that it will also not suit your skin. So that's why you can definitely give it a try. If you have less amount of blackheads, then it will easily remove them, that's not a problem. And also you can see the packaging, it comes in a tube like packaging. Sorry, I don't have the outer box in which it was there. So, and they also gave a spatula to apply the mask, but I don't use it, I apply it with my hands only. Yeah, so yeah, that was all about this face mask, and I have such a mixed feeling about this one. So the second one is a wash off mask. It's not a peel off mask, and it's also from their activated charcoal range. And so this one is the activated charcoal wash off mask. So I have the outer box of this mask, and now I am going to show you the packaging. So yeah, this is the packaging of this face mask. Oh, I forgot to tell you the price of this one. It comes in a price range of 399 for 100 ml. Okay, so and this one, it has a price of 499 for 200 ml. So I will say that it's a huge quantity at this price range, because we at most use a face mask once or twice a week. So a 200 ml quantity will last for at least 4 months. So they also gave a brush, and it was in this condition from the beginning, like you can see. So I also don't use this one, I apply it with my hands only. So it has a shelf life of 2 years, and that's a quite good span of time. So see, I have used 1/3 of this mask already, and I really love it. This works so well on my skin and doesn't tinkle my skin at all. So like whenever I apply this mask, after removing it, my skin feels so refreshed, so clean, that I can really see the difference, before and after difference. It's also a no paraben, no sulfate, no silicone, no color product, and it claims that it helps to remove pollutants and revive radiance. So I hope that it does the work that it claims, because it really makes my skin clean. So that's why I think it does the work. Before using this product, you can do a patch test anywhere other than your face. So for this also I will recommend definitely a patch test. This face mask will be suitable for all skin types, like from a dry to oily skin type, and from sensitive to acne prone skin type. Anybody can use this. You have to keep this mask for about 15 to 20 minutes, or for 20 to 25 minutes, and then you can wash it off. The one thing that I don't like about this brand is they don't mention the full ingredient list on any of their products. Like, I am someone who wants to know or likes to know the ingredients that are present in my skincare products, so that I am aware that what I am applying on my skin. So that's why I don't like this about this brand. They don't only mention the key ingredients. Like this one have uh, cetosterol alcohol, isopropyl myristate, extra virgin olive oil, sweet almond oil, shea butter, esters, glycerin, niacinamide, mulberry extract, licorice extract, sodium PCA light kaolin, activated charcoal powder, titanium dioxide, citric acid, sodium benzoate, potassium sulfate, and potassium sorbate, and fragrance. None of the products of this brand are fragrance free. And one thing that after most of the face mask tend to dry out your skin, but this one, when I remove this mask, I don't feel that my skin has become dry, and it keeps your skin well moisturized, because it already mentions that it has shea butter, almond oil, and glycerin in it. So that's why I think that my skin doesn't dry out after removing the face mask. We should always apply a moisturizer after applying any face mask. So yeah, that was all about these two face masks, and now I will be showing you by applying the face mask on my face, and I will apply this one on the left side and the other one on the right side, so that you can see the difference. So now I will be taking the steam on my face. So I will cover my face with a towel and then I will take the steam for 5 minutes. So this steam will help to open the pores on my skin, and I have applied this hairband so that the hair don't come on my face. So now I will completely pat dry my face with a towel. So first I will apply the peel-off mask. I will apply it with my hand. So I have applied this on half of my face and already there is a tingling effect on my skin. I can feel that. Now I will be applying the wash off mask on the other side. So I am done, and now I will keep my face like this for 20 minutes. I have applied a thick layer of both the masks on my face. I will be back in just 20 minutes. So I washed my face and now I will show you my skin. So I took the steam before applying the mask because that helped me to open the pores of my face, and it will help to it will help the mask to deep cleanse my skin. So I applied the peel off mask on this side and the wash off mask on this side. I don't know the camera can capture it or not, but on this side feels much more fresh than this side. So yeah, this is my skin after applying the face mask. So I hope this video helped you guys a lot and you now have a clear idea about the two face masks. So you can also follow me on my Instagram, and my Instagram ID is skincareaholic, like skincare_o_holic, and you can follow me there because I regularly post on Instagram. You can see many kinds of beauty skincare products, reviews, reels, fashion reels, etc. on my Instagram. So don't forget to follow me on my Instagram handle. Link will be given in the description box. So if you like the video, just go and subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post new videos. And I post new videos every week. So just be patient and wait for my videos. So that was all about today's video. I love you all so much. Bye bye.